You're probably wondering why I'm in a dressing gown, why I've got no earrings on. It's because you haven't picked it yet. So today I'm letting my Instagram followers control my entire day. I'm probably gonna regret it, but here we are. I'm gonna put up polls on my stories on my Instagram all day, and everything that you guys pick is what I'm gonna be doing. So first I need to ask for an outfit and some earrings. So for outfits, I'm thinking either this black dress here, or do we go for this green and white dress? So I'm gonna put up a poll now and see what you guys pick. And believe it or not, I'm actually leaving the house today, so I want some earrings that will actually match both pairs. So I'm thinking maybe some from the new collection. I'm thinking maybe the sunflowers. These ones here, because it's got the green in, so that will go with the green and white. But then also black goes with everything. Or do we go for the double shells, which I have been wearing all the time lately. These two are like actually some of my go-to earrings at the moment. I'll put up a poll for that too, and let's see what the results are. While we're waiting for some results, I'm going to have a drink, but again, I do need you to pick. Do I have water this morning for my first drink of the day, or do I have a ginger shot? Now, this will really tell me for the day if people are gonna be nice or nasty. So yesterday, I made my homemade ginger shot. In total for this, I used my juicer and I used 4 oranges, 2 lemons, some ginger and turmeric. So it is a spicy one. And the other option is nice and simple, just a glass of water. I've not gave it too long, but I am really hot and I need to get dressed and I need to get ready for the day because we've got a lot to do today. So I'm gonna check it now. It's only been up 15 minutes, but let's see what people say. Okay, still 9 people's voted. 8 of them people have picked the green and white dress and 1 person's picked the black dress. So I guess we'll wear the green and white dress and then let's see what earrings we're gonna pair with it. Ooh, it's a little bit closer. 6 people have voted sunflowers and 3 people have voted shells. So we're going for the green dress with the sunflower earrings. Let's get dressed. The dress is on, now to put on the earrings. Here they are, look how pretty. I actually might do another one of these depending on if you enjoy it or not. If you do, let me know and I'll do another one. I was actually looking on YouTube for a similar video just to see sort of like what they asked, and the only ones I could find was from 6 years ago. So I thought, you know, let's bring it back. And if you want to see another one, let me know in the comments, because I feel like this could be really fun, especially because we can do different things each day. We can always have lots of different options. So here are the earrings in, and now I need some perfume. So let's go pick out a perfume. I'm going to just pick 2 at random. I think I'm going to go for the Moschino Teddy Bear. This one is bubblegum scented. And then, should we go for a Billie? This is the Billie Eilish one. I've got all of them, but yeah, I think this one is actually my favourite. This one is so good, but they're all so different. Either between the Moschino Teddy or Billie Eilish. I've got a lot of work to do today. The first task can either be some wedding earrings that I really need to get done today, so I'm really hoping this is going to be selected. So I can either make some wedding earrings or I can pack some orders that I have behind me here. So either way, I am going to do both at some point today, but you get to pick my first task. So let's put a poll up and then I can go grab my drink. So it's now 9 AM, so I'm going to check again now. I haven't had my drink or my perfume yet, so let's do that. So drink, ooh, it's close. We've got 19 votes for the ginger shot and 23 votes for water. Ideal, so I'll have more water then. And then for perfume, Moschino has 21 votes and Billie Eilish has 15. So I guess we're gonna smell like bubblegum today. Here it is. I love this bottle. I think it's so nice. Oh. Now I really need to get on with work, so I need to see what I'm doing first. Making wedding earrings or packing orders. Here is the verdict so far. So we have 12 votes for making wedding earrings and 23 votes for packing orders. I really need to make the wedding earrings, but it's okay. I'm still gonna make the wedding earrings, but I'll make them after, no problem. So 50 people have seen it so far in 30 minutes. The gas man's come to do a gas check, which is very thrilling. While he's downstairs, I'm just gonna set up my station for packing orders and then we'll get on with it. orders that I have packed up and done. There's about 37 more that I actually need to do, but this is as many as I've got done so far. The rest are like customs or needing some extra bits made for their orders. So now I'm gonna get on with making the floral bridal earrings because I've just checked the poll and it's 50-50 right now between make wedding earrings and pack orders. So I am gonna now make the wedding earrings and then we've done both anyway. This is voiceover Charlie speaking. I decided that I wanted to accidentally put my camera in slow motion mode yet again. Are we surprised at this point? Don't think so. So here I am just moulding out the flowers in slow motion, but I have sped this up so it doesn't look like slow motion. But when I film in that style, it comes with no audio, unfortunately. So here I am talking a little bit, but you wouldn't know that. So what I'm basically saying is, do I have scrambled oats for lunch or do I have a salad? So I popped up a poll for that one and let's see what it comes out as, I suppose. So I am now going to head out to grab some food. I'm going to just check what people have put for my lunch. I put either scrambled oats or salad. 48 votes for scrambled oats and 71 votes for salad. Damn it. Okay, now back to voiceover me because we're back on slow-mo. Now here I am just making my salad and this feral cat is just diving in for the chicken. Now this scene is quite funny, so wait until the end of this scene at least because it is funny. So I'm pushing them away. This is what they do every time I make any food. It could be any food around. They just steal it. They absolutely love human food. It's so strange. I'm pretty sure they think they're dogs. But you push them down, you push them down. I mean, usually I do just lock them out, but you know, I let him have a little browse, but they don't usually have any. But here I am just adding some lettuce, some chicken tikka, chicken, and then I've got boiled eggs and salad cream. That's literally all I have on my salad. It's very boring, but I'm pretty sure I've done it in a studio vlog as well. This is like similar salad. But when I was at the shop, I actually vlogged me going to the shop, but you can't see that because again, it was slow motion. Oh, here is a contraption I just needed to show you. If you get this chicken, I don't know where it's from. It might have been gifted to me when I moved in, but it just slices your egg in like seconds. Very great device, I will say. Anyway, just adding the salt and pepper onto the eggs. By the way, honestly, the food was rank. I will be honest, it was really not good. It's because it's all packet. Usually I would just make it fresh, but I just was being lazy, to be honest. Anyway, here is where I'm telling the cats, I'm putting the chicken back in the fridge. Please leave my food alone for 3 seconds. But could they? No. I can't believe I got this on camera. Savages. Look at that mouthful. For a little man like Watson as well. They both got a piece of chicken, legging it each way. Unbelievable. This is some sort of sick joke. Double choc? Sorry, there's not one piece of chocolate in. Oh, that one piece there. That's it. That's the one piece. Oh, and there's actually 2. Alright, fair enough. 2 pieces of chocolate. Are you having a laugh? Where's the double chocolate? I suppose there's 2. Not happy with that. I've just realised it's been filming in slow motion again. Am I going to learn? Am I ever going to learn? I'm fed up of it. I'm so fed up. I'm going to have to look back through the footage now and see what's been in slow motion. Out of everywhere in the whole room that what's it could go, this is where I decide. That seemed the best option. Strange. I've got a nail appointment at 2 o'clock today and it's a brand new nail tech, so I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna obviously let you guys pick my nail design. So I've come up with 2 and then I'm gonna put them on a poll and you guys can decide. So the first ones are these. These are just so fun. I love the vibe of these. I think they're really quirky and they are very much on brand with charings. And the second pair are the middle ones, so the blue clouds with the rainbows. I think they're really cool as well. So I'm gonna pop both of these on my story once I go to my nail appointment. You are literally decided. It's a bit scary because I don't know what you're gonna pick, but it would be interesting to see. I really wanted to try scrambled oats because it looks really cool, but that's okay. I'm gonna probably nip out, go to a shop and actually grab some stuff for a salad. I'm just going to make it really quick and easy because we got a lot to do today. So that is the plan of action. I'm going to now put them here. I had just finished these flowers, so I'm going to pop these in the oven for 50 minutes. So while I'm out, these will be cooking, and then hopefully once I'm back, they will all be ready to be put together and we can finish them today, which will be nice. All the flowers are now complete. I just need to do the pearls and the diamonds, and then we can put all the attachments on together. But I am now having to go to the nail appointment because it's 1:30. So here are the before of my nails. They are very overgrown, so they're very much needing doing. So let's check the poll and see what was chosen. I'm nervous. Oh, there's a clear winner on this one. There's a clear winner. And it is the funky nail art. 18 people voted rainbow and clouds, and 114 people voted for the funky nail art. So that's what we're going for. He's a strange cat. What a weird boy. Right, we're off again. This time you might be able to actually hear me while I'm in the car because you're not on slow motion. Big win, big win. Right, so we're off to get the nails done. This one's broken and he doesn't know. So I'm hoping that's going to be okay, and I'm hoping he'll be able to do the nail art. But like I say, I've not been to him before, so I am a little bit nervous. I'm leaving a bit earlier to give myself extra time to find it and stuff, so fingers crossed he can slay my nails. Let me show you a proper before. Have we got any lighting in this place? It's not very good lighting, but here's the before, so really grown out. Okay, I've had my nails done. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. He did such a good job, and he was so nice. The salon was lovely. I'm obsessed. Great choice by you guys, by the way. Great choice. Oh my god, have a close-up. Look at them. We ended up soaking them off and doing a fresh set, and it's much better that way, I think. Look at the little strawberry. Oh, I love. So I've not long got home from the nail appointment, and then food shopping comes straight away. So I've just been putting that away, and then I just thought I need some dinner. So we're gonna ask the poll what I should do for dinner. Now I'm thinking either stir fry. I want something quite quick and easy. So I'm thinking stir fry or potentially loaded sweet potato jacket. Ooh, with maybe some chicken, spinach. I feel like that would be quite nice. So I'm going to do them two options. I've never made the jacket before like that with the chicken and stuff, so I don't know actually how that's going to go. But so I'm going to do them two options on the poll, and then that can decide my dinner. I'm in the kitchen and I've just checked the results so I can get started on tea, but I forgot to tell you what they were. So the results are in. We've got 48 votes for loaded sweet potato and 24 votes for the stir fry. The loaded sweet potato it is.
There are 6 people, and they're all claiming.
Okay, so the last question of the day is, do I post this video today so you get it in real time, or do I post it on Friday and post a small business Q&A today instead? I have put up the poll just now so I can give you the answers. So let's have a little look, because I actually have no idea what it says. Oh wow, the first one of the day now has got 643 votes. So it's got a little bit more popular now, but the votes have stayed the same. The end result for this one, I've only just posted it, and we've got 18 votes for this video and 11 votes for the Q&A, which means this video wins. As you're watching this is actually my day today. So this is very much real time. So you've picked my day for the whole day, and then you get to watch it back on the day, which means now it's currently 7:30 in the evening, and I am halfway through these wedding earrings still, but I'm going to continue them tonight. But obviously I'm going to upload this video first, so I'm going to sit down, edit this video, post it, and then get on with these ones. But these will be in their own individual video on social media if you want to see the end result of the wedding earrings. They'll be up some point this week, so probably tomorrow. So if you want to check that out, feel free to. It'll be up soon. Apologies for the slow motion. I'm going to try and speak through it and do some voiceovers during this video, so it might be a bit more bearable. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Comment down below, let me know if I should do another one, and if I do, I think I'll do some sabotage options for me as well. We did sort of do one with the ginger shop, it didn't get picked, so you guys are too nice to me, I think. I'm gonna go and edit this video now. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been a really fun day, so thank you so much for picking everything for me. Thank you everybody who's voted on my Instagram stories and who's watching now. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when I do new videos like this, and all my social media is in the description as I said earlier. Bye guys.